Hello and welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hey, today we attended the Corvallis Historic Auto Club Dust 'em Off car show and swap meet at the Benton County Fairgrounds. There were a lot of very nice cars in the show, including this 1966 Chevy SS 396 Super Sport. This car originally came with a 3 1/4 horse 396 engine and a Power Glide transmission, according to the owner. This car currently is equipped with a 502 and a 700 R4 transmission. And you can see on the interior there, it's been upgraded to a leather interior. The car is very, very nice. And I believe the owner lives over on the Oregon coast and is part of the Rowdy Cruisers Car Club. And that group of folks from Rowdy Cruisers cruised over to the show today. I talked with the owner of the car, and he says he has the original 396 engine at home. However, he did install a 502 big block in it and painted it back to the original orange type colors there to emulate the original engine in it. Very, very nice car. Sounds like he drives it regularly. I really like this 1950 Chevrolet convertible. It had California plates on it, and I did not get to talk to the owner or hear the car run. But I'm assuming it still has the original 235 6-cylinder engine in it. The interior in the car was exceptionally nice. The colors were awesome. Loved the top. Just a really super nice car. Back mainly to original condition, but it does appear to be lowered a little bit there. Great stance on it. And this super nice 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B, equipped with a 383 4-barrel engine in it and automatic transmission. I assume that would be the 727. And you look at this car, it looks very, very original. I'm assuming it's been restored, but in very, very nice condition there. I really like the colors, the brown with the black vinyl top and the black stripe with the Super B emblem on it. But it does have a set of aftermarket wheels on it that fit it very well and look very nicely. The dual exhaust coming out the back there. I don't know how many of these they made in 1969, but there's very few survivors as nice as this one. Very nice car. And this seafoam green two-tone paint 1955 Ford Club sedan was part of the Rowdy Cruisers Car Club from the Oregon coast. Now, I don't know if they live over in Newport or Florence, but I believe they came over from the coast today. But this car was really exceptionally nice. He even had a window sticker here, although probably not the original, but it did state the options on the car: the two-tone paint, the antenna, the heater, and that stuff there. But it's equipped with the 272 engine in it and dual exhaust on it there. Just a very nice car. I've seen it down at the Oregon coast a couple of times there. And he's a regular attendee at many of the car shows. But like I say, a 272 engine in it and automatic transmission, the Ford-O-Matic. The 272 engine had 182 horsepower and a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission on it. This pearl white 1965 Thunderbird was very nice. Had some custom touches to it, such as the pinstriping, the aftermarket wheels, and the tires on it had the white wall tires, about a 3/4 inch wide, but also had a red line going around the outside of that tire, which was very unusual. I thought it looked pretty good there, but he had it appeared to be lowered down a little bit, but very nice example of a 65 Ford Thunderbird. This little 1966 Mustang two-door coupe there with the American racing wheels on it was in very nice shape, and it was for sale. He didn't really look the car over really close, but he wanted $24,500 for it. And this little Dodge A100 was exceptionally nice. I really like the what I would call marina blue paint on it. I'm not sure if that is the correct color name for it, but the Western wheels on it, bullet wheels, they're very nice and beautiful interior. And this bump side Ford with a two-tone paint was very nice. It was a Ranger XLT, which was a fully loaded model. He had a set of aftermarket wheels on it. It was lowered down a bit there. The interior in it was pretty much back to stock, but very, very nice. Had a tachometer in it there. It had the rack on it there, which is kind of unusual. The international truck there was pretty cool. Little Chevrolet C10 lowered down. And I believe this is about a 65 Chrysler Newport, I would say. I didn't look the information over on it, but neat little car. And this 1965 Chevrolet C10 short bed. Had a roll pan in the rear of it there. A few modifications, had pearl paint on it, and a little blue accents to it there. And this 1934 Chevrolet Coupe here, looks like it's been modified a little bit, but had a big block Chevrolet engine in it that I would imagine is pretty rowdy. Did have a Carter style AFB type carburetor on there with American racing wheels and a really big fat tire in the back there. This 1956 Chevrolet two-door wagon here had Corvette suspension all the way around, and I believe a Corvette engine in it there. And this Corsair convertible equipped with the Spider engine. This car, there's the frunk, and the Corsair with the red interior, the manual transmission. But this car was factory turbocharged, one of the rare Corvair turbocharged Spiders, I believe they called them back in the day there. But a really, really nice car there. And this 1963 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop, white in color, very nice. Had a big block engine in it, like a 396 with an Edelbrock intake and some aftermarket valve carvers on it. But the car really looked good in white with the American racing wheels on it there. Never did see the owner to talk to him about it, but I really, really did like it. And I believe this was a 1962 Cadillac two-door hardtop that was in very good shape. Organ plates on the car, local car I'm assuming, but it had some little information on it there. And the interior was really nice in it. Appeared to be restored back to original type condition in it. Very nice driver quality type car with the factory hubcaps and stuff. Of course, if I had that car, I would probably have to lower it a little bit, but all original looking. And over in the swap meet section, there was this Studebaker pickup on a half-ton Chevrolet chassis. He was asking $15,000 for it. And this 1966 El Camino. So I'm not sure if it was for sale, but he was selling parts out of the back of it. Some great buys on some used carburetors here, Holley carburetors, a lot of aftermarket valve covers and pieces. This gentleman here had some V8 60 flathead blocks for $100 each. Not a real high demand for those, I don't imagine. Bunch of old flathead carburetors, whatnot there. Little Nova convertible SS there. Headers for a Ford Coyote motor, I believe. And quite a bit of Chevrolet C10 parts there. An old tricycle here. And for some reason, I really liked this 1950 DeSoto four-door. It had a flathead 6 engine in it, and I believe a manual transmission. But it just had some nice chrome on it, some little added touches here. A little visor there on the wing window, the mirror sticking there, the custom badge. The interior was very, very nice in the car. But I just really, really enjoyed looking at that car. Well, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage.